Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to recover deleted videos. So, I'm talking about how to recover deleted videos on Facebook. So, first, let me open my Facebook and then tap my profile and then let me post something. So, what's on my mind? Let's just say I wanted to post this hello or hi, good day, something like that. So once done, what I'm going to do is just simply tap next, and then now I have posted this. Okay, so let's just say I changed my mind and I wanted to delete this post. What I'm going to do is to tap this three dots, okay, and then here below, move to archive. You can see here, move to trash. All you have to do is to tap that one and then click move. Now, if I change my mind again and I want to recover this post, what I'm going to do here is to tap this three dots and then look for activity log that is below view as. Tap this one and then here tap trash. Okay, here's my post that I have deleted. Click restore. So it will be restored to my profile. So let me go back to my profile again and see if the post has been restored. Okay, so as you can see, if I go to home or to my home page, there I can see my post. Okay, now talking about how to recover a deleted video on a Facebook page. So I'm going to show you how to recover a video that you have accidentally deleted on your Facebook page. First, let me switch my Facebook account first to my Facebook page. To do that, I just have to tap my profile here and then tap switch to Facebook page account. So let me tap my Facebook page profile. Okay. And now I have switched my Facebook account to my Facebook page. Now, if you want to know who has the access to your Facebook page, let's just say you want to know the admin or who has the full control, you just have to simply tap this gear icon here and then there, go to page settings. And then once you tap this page settings, you have to look for page access. So you have to scroll down. Page access is under new pages experience. Okay. So here it is. Now what you want to do here is to simply tap this page access. Then there you will see who has the full control of your page. Okay, you can see or you will see the name here. Okay, so this is my Facebook account. So I am the admin. Now if I want to add someone or people with task access, I just have to tap this add new. Now going back, if I posted a video on my Facebook page and unfortunately I deleted it, so how will I recover this video? So let me post a video first. So I have to tap my Facebook page profile. Okay, go to my profile and then click this what's on my mind. Okay, and then post a video. So this is my video. I posted it already and I just say I want to delete this one. Tap this three dots and then click this move to trash. Now let's just say I want to recover this video. What am I going to do? Still, I can just tap this three dots here. Okay, tap this three dots and then there that is next to manage. You will see activity log. Same thing with your Facebook account. Tap this one and then go to trash and then tap restore to profile. Okay, so as you can see here, you just have to tap these three dots and tap restore to profile. Go back to your Facebook page profile and there you will see the video that you have recently deleted videos. And that's how to recover deleted videos. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.